Hello guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, then my name is Kikusanam. I make YouTube videos about Flutter and Flutter related videos. So in this video, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be giving away my Flutter website. Recently I've been working on this Flutter Portfolio website. So the current portfolio website looks something like this. It has a top app bar, and on top of it is has a big introduction of my name, and there's something about me and a little bit of experience that I have and some of the projects that I worked on. And this is on grid view, and here's how somebody could contact me. And there's the end credit where I'll be, this is built by Kusunam and design inspired by Brittany Chang. So Brittany Chang is the website currently available, and her GitHub is given here. Currently this website, all my design refer from this website. I'm not much of a designer. And on the left hand side there's my social media links, and on to my right there's my email ID. If you can click here, then a particular email ID will pop up, or I should say my mail client will pop up for all my social medias like GitHub, like my YouTubes, and everything pops up properly. So if you haven't subscribed already, and if you're new here, then do consider subscribing. Okay, so this is all somewhat responsive, as you can see. If I reduce the size, so this is the tab size. Here you can see I have removed the sidebars, and the project folders, addition projects are in linear view. And if you could move any further than this, then again this is the mobile view of my application. I have moved all my social media on the main page of the application. Here's the project and some drawers. Now the major question arises is like how you can make it yours, right? So what you need to do is go to GitHub and go to my repositories and go to my portfolio. Currently it's private. By the time it releases, I will make it public. So here's my project ready to be taken. So let me show you how you can do it. You can go to the terminal, and you can write something like, let's go to desktop. Okay, give it access. Let's make a, no, we don't need to make, we'll say git clone URL. In order to run this, you need to have git client on your system, or you can simply copy from there. So we have a portfolio project here, desktop portfolio. So this will open this project for me. Okay, I give it access to desktop. Yes, I trust this author. Once the project is loaded, I go to the lib and go to this L10N and go to ARB file, go to the English file app_en.arb. So in this file you can see I've written some text over here. All the text that are being displayed on this website are in this file only, so any changes you can make here will be displayed. Currently everything's like, for example, it's about me detail, and here's the detail about me. Here you can change it to your names and your detail, your experience. So you can just go through this file and make changes accordingly. And one of the important changes is these images. So for example, in about me images, I have my own profile images. So if you go to the images folder, here are the few images that I've used. So change those images to your project, your name, and your profile. All right, so once you're done, go to the terminal and click it, run without debugging. I think it should work as it is. So it works, right? So this is your website. So if you do not like theme of this application, then do consider going here onto the app directory, onto the view, and on app.dart you can make changes over here in the theme data itself, and the new color scheme will be applied. So now that we have completed the development of the website, let's see how we can deploy this. So for the deployment, we're going to be using a Firebase. So let's go to Firebase. Let's create a project. test underscore portfolio. So if you're not buying a domain, then this particular name will be used on your website. Okay, so if you're not buying domain, then do change the name to something that signifies your portfolio. Okay, continue. If you need the analytics, keep it on. If you do not, then turn it off. I'm turning it off as of now. So since we are not deploying any Android application or iOS application, we're going to be directly go to the hosting side. So on the hosting, click on the get started. So first one is the running the installing the Firebase CLI. So let's check if I have a CLI. So you can simply check by running the Firebase command. Since I have Firebase already installed, I'm getting these options. So let's check on initializing a progress. So first you need to log in. So let's say I'll log in, Firebase login. So currently I'm logged in as this username, and I need to log in with another username, right? So this username. So I will say Firebase logout, Firebase login. Allow for error reporting. No. Yeah. So it will open a web page. So you can say I want to log in with this email ID. Yeah, allow. Okay, it's logged in. So if I type once again like Firebase login, then it will say the username I'm logged in. Now you need to go to the directory of the project, desktop and portfolio, right? So we can see here also. So the next step is Firebase init, right? So for this you need to go to the project directory. On the root directory, run Firebase init. So if you go to VS Code, I have forgot to mention one thing. What we'll do is we'll build this application first. So in order to do that, for Flutter build web release and target file is lib/production ... We have to run this command. This will build a web project for us that is deployable. So it's complete. So all the build are in here, build web. We're gonna need hosting without a setup script. Configure files for files option, etc. Okay. Build/web redirect all to instructor YAML. Yeah. We don't need automatic builds and no. Yeah, already access overwrite. No, we don't want to overwrite. Okay, so once we have done that, we can do that Firebase deploy only hosting. Now this will move all the files that are currently available in web directory into the Firebase. So this is project console is this, and the hosting URL is this. Okay, let's test it out. So it's working, right? So in that way we have completed the deployment and the building of portfolio website. So don't forget to give start to this project in the GitHub, and if you use this repository for your own portfolio, then don't forget to give credit to Brittany Chang and to myself, and also consider contributing to this repository and make it something beautiful than I could imagine building it. Okay then. Okay, I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time.